Today we're working on an HP Stream laptop. And I'll turn it on, period. There it is. You can see the screen's broken. Now I'm going to show you how to fix this. First, we need to take the bezel off. And you're just going to slide your little finger in between here. The screen's already broken, so if you have like a piece of like a thin putty knife or butter knife or whatever, that works. I'm going to go around here. Always want to be careful around the camera piece, and that's going to be the most fragile part. And typically, a lot of people break that. That was a tough one. Trying not to break the bezel. You're just popping a clip. Sometimes they glue this down here, so you might have to work this a little bit. There. Alright. There's a little bit of glue right there. Tape. I'll turn the light on so you can see. Yep. I'm just gonna remove this here and just kind of lift that up like that. And another piece of tape or something. I'm not really sure. Guessing that's the tape. Yeah, that's the cover for the, I guess that's the backlight inverter. Usually it doesn't take this long. There. Now, this doesn't really matter because that part's going to be replaced. Go on eBay and buy the new part. Which hopefully you can find the part number of the right screen. And here is the new screen. I'm hoping this is the right one. Appears to look and looks the same size. This is over to the side here. There is 1, 2, 3, 4 screws, and probably we'll have to take, if I got my guess, they got this screwed to the side here, so we may have to take and unscrew these as well. But we'll start out with just the main screws and see what happens. You're just going to be using a very small Phillips screwdriver. I bought this in a set from Walmart for 10 bucks. Always try to remember to work with the power turned off. You don't want to cause any shorts or anything. damages to your laptop. The battery in this one is internal, so you can't really remove the battery. Alright, so let's see what happens. Alright, good. So you only needed to do the 4 screws. Now this is going to be the trickiest part. And I'm going to get you down low. I'm going to zoom in. And there's going to be this little tape. I'm going to stop the shake. And there'll be this little tape here. I'm going to peel this back. Just like so. You just got to peel this tape. Sorry for the hand getting in the way, but it's the way it happens sometimes. Okay, so what this is going to do, we're going to move this just a hair more, and you see this little connector here. You just want to gently take. Now some of them used to have a clip. These are just pushed in, and that's it. So when we get the new screen, remember it had this protective film on it. Take that film off. Okay, I'm gonna take that film off before you put the bezel on, obviously. And I'm gonna put this little pink foam that they put in here. And that's gonna be good to put the screen down. We don't want to scratch anything up, right? Just move it back down. Don't have a tripod, so I'm mounting it on a light here. And we're going to take and put this in the same way that we took it out. And it just slides right back in. Just like this. And make sure it's all the way in. And put your tape back down. Just like that, guys. Alright. Now let me zoom back out. And those same 4 screws that you took off, I'm going to put it back on. Now, if you were to have this taken to a repair shop, I know people locally to me that charge, I believe it's $150, what I was told by a friend, to do this. And you could buy this screen off of eBay for $50 probably, and do it yourself. Doesn't cost that much, and does not take any skill of doing it. And that's why I'm showing you how you can save yourself money. Everything you see on this channel from here on out, well, for the last year or so, a couple of years, pertaining to screens, laptops, have been done free of charge. I don't charge people to do this. They buy their own part, and I change it out for them. Just like that. And then we're going to stick this back down in its little Little cradle hole down here. I don't have any tape. Good on the back. See if I can go any further. Can't. Alright. This might be the trickiest part to get it back in the thing. Just kind of be gentle. And we're going to work our way at the top. Just snapping it back in. And generally what I do next is I'll close this, because this is not going to sit right, and I'll close it. I'll sit it in this way. That way it pops in, and we're all good. So now that's flush. Let me get the charger. I'll plug it back in. Show you that the screen works. Laptop's been off for a while. There you go. Now you can see this is a good screen. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.